Good evening, students. Now, today we will learn about principles and factors affecting development. So, the first principle is principle of continuity. Development is a process which begins from the moment of the conception in the womb of the mother and goes on continuing till time of death. It is a never ending process. The changes, however small and gradual, content contains to take place in all dimensions of one's personality throughout one's life. So, it is the first principle is saying that development starts from the womb of the mother and continues till death. It is a never ending process. Second is principle of individual differences. Every organism is a distinct creation in itself. Therefore, the development which undergoes in terms of the rate and outcomes of in various dimensions is quite unique and specific. For example, all children will first sit up, crawl, and stand before they learn to walk, but individual children will vary in regards to their timing or age at which they can perform these activities. Individual differences. Although all humans although all humans have genes, but they differ in some points. That is, some will walk early, some will start walking early, and some will walk very late. Some will start speaking early and some will speak late. This is called principle of individual differences. Principle of lack of uniformity in the development rate. Though development is a continuous process, it does not exhibit steadiness and uniformity in terms of the rate of development in various dimensions of personality or in development periods and stages of life. Development is not uniform. In some stage of life, development may be too fast, and in another stage development may be too late. For example, some children show regular growth of height through a particular age of their life, but some children grow suddenly at their teenage. This is principle of lack of uniformity. Thank you.